Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to do the new modded survival, and first things first, we're probably going to want to turn down the volume. Let's turn it to 35. Easy, good. Let's do a few of the game rule. Keep inventory true. So basically right now all we're doing is setting up the game. Gonna do a little bit more than just set up the game, but yeah. Game rule, mod, griefing, false. There we go. Alrighty. So now let's see what we have in the chest. Ah, none of the mods are in here. Dang. Oh well. Let's collect all this. You know what? We're gonna take the chest too. Come here. And of course the lights. We want the lights. There we go. Now we've got everything. Nope. Let's gather up some more wood. Oh, look at that, we just got an achievement for getting wood. Alright, so now it is a little bit laggy only because it's loading in the world. So, yeah. Alrighty. No, well, let's collect this. Let's collect the, ooh, we got another apple. Awesome. Oh, see. Told you it was going to be a little bit laggy, but that's okay. Now, a few of the mods that I have in here is the Farlanders, which gives you more Endermen and all that. I also have more mobs, which gives you like fish that you can actually see and hunt. Let me see if I can find one. Another one is the morph mod, which basically if I kill something I can morph into it. Let's actually get that set up. Controls. No. Hang on. Oh well. That's okay. I'll figure it out eventually. Oh yeah, it was like, oh, no, it was definitely, we would press O, but it was, oh well. So yeah, basically, there it is. Alright, so, probably gonna want some of these, just to make some mushroom stew or something. Some pumpkins so we can plant some. Ooh, yes, sugar cane. That's exactly what I need right now. So yeah, we're gonna need some sugar cane, definitely. Some sand. Collect plenty of that. Right after we collect the sugar cane, see if we can find like just a place to stay at permanently. I mean, I'm not gonna be. Ooh, hello, what is that? I've never seen anything like that. I think that's with one of the mods. Ooh. I do not like that sound. Oh, there's villagers. There's something over there. Let's go see who's over there. Oh, see, that's one of them. What's his name? He's like the Wanderer. Yeah, the Wanderer. That's the Wanderer. It's part of the Farlanders. This is part of the more mods. or more mobs. Alright, so let's check out that building. There it is. It's off. Oh, see, it's a little bit laggy. See if we can find anything down here. Nope. Nope. I'm losing some hunger. It's okay. Now, if this is a good building, then we can use it and we can kind of keep it. Well, this is the. Oh jeez! Oh jeez! No! 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 Stay back! Stay back! Let's use this. Let's use this. Oh jeez! It's gonna kill me. It's gonna murder my face. Ah, dang! Oh dang it! It just murdered my face. Oh well. Let's not go near that until we're farther up. Until we have like a sword or something. Man, that guy just annihilated. You know what we can do though? We oh look, there's squid. So like, if I morph into a squid, I can be like underwater and stuff. So yeah. Let's collect some more sand. And let's ignore that building. Yeah, so like with the Farlanders, you will either find like buildings that basically have stuff in the bottom, and yeah, it can get pretty crazy. I wonder if you can trade with the merchants. Okay. What if you hit them? Do they fight back? Nope. So what if I'm just gonna kill you and see what you give up. What do you give me? Ooh. Oh, I just morphed into one. I just morphed into one. I don't think it gave me anything, darn. Oh well. What else can we do? No. Let's go kill a squid. Because I mean, the underwater is pretty cool. I mean, then you can get more clay and stuff. Another way I can morph is I can use that. Alright, squiddy, 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 squiddy. There we go. See? So now I'll start losing health. And there we go. But now with the squid, the water bar is actually opposite. So like, instead of it being where if I'm above land, I'm not using all my air bubbles. This time I am. So let's see if we can find some clay down here. There's a lot of gravel, it looks like. Quite a few squids. Oh, there's not very much. It's actually quite disappointing. I really don't know what. Oh, well, there's a hole. Let's see what's down there. Come on, I want to go in the hole. Oh well, there's nothing down there anyways. Alright, let's go back up. Morph back into my human self. There we go. Oh. Well. Looks like we're meeting another person again. Whew. Hello. And your name is? I think they're miners. And oh no, lumberjack. Okay, so you, I think, give me wood. I don't know. Oh no, you didn't give me anything either. What about you? Will you give me something? You can't trade with them, so I don't see the point in keeping them alive. I'll just kill them for resources. Dang. Alright. So, enough of that. Let's get some more wood for our house. Oh, what? I guess. I think I'm too tall. Something went wrong. Oh, there we go. That's better. Alright. That's a little bit better. Alrighty. There we go. Now we can collect some wood. Yeah. Now with the more mobs mod, it doesn't give you any powers or anything, or if you kill one of the Endermen, like, you don't get any powers from them. So yeah, it's kind of pointless, but you get some stuff from them. Oh look, coal. Awesome. Alright, there we go. Alright. Ooh, another piece of... No. Let's morph into the squid. Oh, dang. Alright, there we go. Now we can mine better down here. You know what? Let's have it on standby. Is it not working? Oh, there we go. That's slower. There we go. Alright. So I think alright, it is a bit slow, but yeah, it's better than having to constantly go up for breath. And I can easily squeeze into the hole right there. So yeah, instead of having to make a huge hole, and then yeah, it's taken a little longer than I wanted it to, but yeah, it's a lot easier. Oh man, this takes forever. Alright. Alright, we're almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Man, it's taking way longer. It's just kind of... There we go. Alright. Whoa. The current is like strong. Current is strong in this water. Alright. Whew. There we go. Alright, let's morph back into our original selves. There we go. Oh, there we go. Alright, it's nighttime. A lot of creeps and stuff are gonna come out. So, yep. Let's... A lot of mice. Hello, what are you in the distance? Oh, that's an ant. That's an ant. That's with the More Mobs mod. That's of course no Minecraft, and that's... But that tree thing right there is a part of the More Mobs mod. So yeah. Alright. So let's get started on building our house. We probably won't finish it in this video, but... Yep. Alright. There we go. Alrighty. 1, 2. No. I don't know. Should we build it right here, I think? You know what? This is a good spot to build it. This should be good enough. Oh. No, that's actually a part of the More Mobs mod. The creepers look a little bit different. It's a bit weird. But yeah. Alright. Where should we build this? I'm thinking we should build it right here. I mean, this looks like it's gonna be a perfect spot. Yeah. There we go. I mean, if we take out this, we got like a perfect little island type dealio. You know what? Let's take the sand. Oopsies. Oh, there we go. It's kind of squared out there. Yeah, let's build it right here. Put it right in this corner. You know what, let's actually not put corners down. Oh man, it's taking me a little bit to think. 2, 3, 4, 5, because then we have more room for less wood. So yeah, it's kind of useful instead of having to use all of the wood just to get one area. Or one house. Oh, dang. Alrighty. So, I did turn off mob griefing because, well, creepers suck. Man. well, I don't know if these creepers override the mob griefing or not. But yeah, probably gonna want more wood. So let's eat an apple. Me delicious apple. I wish I could find a bat, only because then I can fly. Oh jeez! Oh jeez! What the crap is that? What is that? Oh, it's a reaper. Oh jeez! Oh, please don't take my life. Please, please. I've been good. Oh yes. Hey. Oh, am I the reaper? Oh my gosh. Am I seriously? Oh my gosh, I'm the reaper. Oh, it's the classic Enderman. Oh, I don't like that sound. Oh man. What? Oh jeez! What? What's going on? What the heck is going on here? What was that? What on earth was that? What the? Oh man. Oh man, that was... Oh goodness gracious, what was that? It was just like... What? The moon looks okay. I don't think the moon even changes, but... What on earth? I tested... I've looked at all these mods. And none of them... Why does that creeper keep staring at me? He's like really, really interested in me. But he doesn't want to come over here and say hi. He's weird. Okay, well... I think it was just because I stared at him. Was that it? Was that sound because I stared at the Enderman? I don't know. I'd rather not test that out again. That was scary, man. Like, that was death-defying. Oh my gosh. Well, hoping to never see him again. I'd rather not have to deal with that scariness again. Oh man. Don't ever stare at an Enderman. They're deadly. Oh man. I don't think I want to deal with them. Alright. So I think I'm going to end the video right about here, right after all of that randomness. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end that here. Oh my gosh, I love this skin. This skin is awesome. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. So bye. Just bye.